Microsoft is exploring new horizons by testing AI models from xAI, Meta, and DeepSeek as potential replacements for OpenAI in its Copilot feature. This move comes shortly after reports suggested Microsoft is planning a future without OpenAI, despite being a major investor. The testing phase marks a pivotal moment in Microsoft's AI journey, signaling a shift in strategy. In tandem with testing external models, Microsoft is also developing its own artificial intelligence reasoning models. These in-house models could soon be offered to developers as alternatives to OpenAI's technology. According to a report, Microsoft is developing in-house artificial intelligence reasoning models to compete with OpenAI and may sell them to developers, said a person involved in the initiative. This strategic shift aims to reduce Microsoft's reliance on OpenAI, despite their early partnership that gave Microsoft a competitive edge in the AI space. By integrating both in-house and third-party AI models into Microsoft 365 Copilot, Microsoft seeks to expand its AI capabilities while managing costs. This approach reflects a broader industry trend of diversifying AI partnerships. Microsoft's AI division, led by Mustafa Suleyman, has developed a set of models called MAI. These models reportedly perform on par with OpenAI and Anthropic's leading models. Suleyman's team is experimenting with using MAI models in Copilot, potentially offering them as an API for developers. This development could position Microsoft as a formidable player in the AI market. While testing alternatives like xAI's Grok, Microsoft faces skepticism about breaking free from OpenAI's embedded technology. The potential benefits are clear: cheaper, faster AI services and a stronger market position. However, contractual obligations and technical dependencies present challenges. Microsoft's journey to independence from OpenAI is a long-term endeavor, raising questions about the future of their partnership and the broader AI industry.